Want to make your Shopify store look more professional? There's one small detail that almost every new seller overlooks: the little line at the end at the bottom of your website where it says powered by Shopify. It might look harmless, but actually makes your store feel like generic and less trustworthy. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove it quickly. No coding skills needed, just quick edit, and then we can instantly make your store look more branded, more premium, and more like a real business. So let's jump right in and clean up that footer. Okay, so as you can see here, if you're using one of Shopify's templates like Dawn, you can scroll down here in the footer and then you're gonna notice the text powered by Shopify. And here's the thing: improving your conversion rate doesn't always mean doing big, complicated things. Sometimes it's about the small, often overlooked details. So just like this one right here, removing that line can instantly give your store like a cleaner, more branded, and more trustworthy look. Let me quickly show you how to remove that. First, you go to the back end of your Shopify store, and then you click Online Store, and then you go to Themes. All right. Next, click here the three dots beside your active theme, and then select Edit Code. And here you'll see all the code behind your store, but do not worry, we only need to change one small thing, and it will take less than a minute. In the search bar here at the top, type footer.liquid, and then select that file. And once it opens, press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac, and then you search for the word powered. And then you're going to see a line of code containing the phrase powered by. Highlight that line and just delete it. After that, make sure to click Save to apply your changes, and that's it. Now, let's check if it worked. Go to your store's URL, and then you just hit refresh, and there you go. Look at that. Powered by Shopify text has been successfully removed from your footer, and only the name of the store is left. Your store looks much more polished and professional, like a branded, custom-built website instead of a generic template. There you have it. One simple tweak that makes your Shopify store look just much better and professional and trustworthy. It's such a small change, but makes a huge difference in how visitors perceive your brand. And if you found this video helpful, just make sure you like it and subscribe for more quick Shopify tutorials and e-commerce tips that help you build a store that looks, feels, and performs like a top brand. And if you want to boost your product research, find the hottest trends and verify product demand, and understand your competitor strategies for success, you can start using Zik Analytics today for just $1 for the first week. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.